Hello everyone, this is Balaji. I welcome you for Basics Python tutorial series. This is the tutorial 5th video. In this series videos, we discussing how to install Python ideally and how to use how to set environmental variable for Python ideally and how to use Google Colab. Now in this tutorial series we're going to see all the tutorials based on the Google Colab only. So already I posted one video how to use Google Colab. Now we're going to see what are the topics we can cover in this series. I taken the mind map for discussing the Python basics. So first of all we have to given that mind map. So we can see that mind map. We're going to see these are all the topics we're going to cover in this tutorial series. First of all, introduction about Python and various data structure available in Python, and what are the difference between list, tuple, set, and dictionary, and various Python statements. So first of all, we're going to see how to what are the introduction about Python. So first of all, we're going to discuss that we can easily understood mind maps. We can give and means we can easily understood the topics easily. So that's why I taken mind map. So first of all, we're going to see the Python introduction. So in that Python introduction, we're going to see overview of the Python and purpose of the Python and application of the Python. So first of all, the overview of the Python is a Python founded by Guido van Rossum. Is a person introduced the Python first introduced the Python, and the year of introduced the Python is 1990. It is the oldest programming language. Is introduced around the 1990s itself, but if now its application will be famous around 2000 only. And the purpose of the Python program is very easy, and it is human understood language. We can write the program. So English language we can write the program. So it is very easy to code the program, and Python libraries are, helps to do lot of tasks easily. So main purpose of the Python programming is we can easily program the coding. So it is a lot of libraries are available for Python. Like example, NumPy library, OpenCV, Immutals library, like that various libraries are available in this. So based on the application, we can use various libraries. And next one, the mainly it will be applicable in data science application and creating websites. Main application of Python is making data science application we can use, and creating website we can use mainly. These are all the main introduction about Python. And next one topic is data structure. In this now in this video we're going to see only these are all the data structure of Python. Normally data structure means how the programming can be written, that is will be identified using data structure. So first of all we're going to see data types, variable names, how to write a variable name, and simple arithmetic, strings, list, dictionary, tuple, and sets, and boolean function. These are all the various data structure in Python. Now we're going to see the various data types. So these are all the various data types we have in Python: integer, floating point, string, list, dictionary, tuple, sets, booleans. These are all the various data types we have. So first of all, integer means normally we can use keyword as int, int, and normally integer means we know, everyone know that is a whole number without any, it is a whole number without any decimal point. Normally example is 140, 789, 947. These are all the integer number. We can use the keyword as int. Next data type is float. Float will be, you can use this is a keyword of a float data type. So normally we can decimal numbers are come in the floating data type. So the next one is string. Normally in C, Java, like that we have character data type is separate data type, but in Python only the string data type is we have. String we can use double quote, we can use the string variable. In normally we can string keyword is str string data type is keyword is str, and we can use double quote or single quote. So this is an example of data type. Cham, hi, hello, these are all the examples of string data type. And next one is in Python itself we have main data types are list, dictionary, tuple, and sets. List will be in keyword as list, list. It will be in square brace. We can write a list data type in square brace. It is contains number, character, string, floating number, all the will be contains in the list. It will be in square brace. And next one is dictionary. Dictionary will be keyword is dict. So normally dictionary will be, we have keyword and value. Normally it will be in normally it is used in curly brace. It is as key and value. So normally age will be the key and the value will be 26. Normally key and value will be contains in dictionary data type. So it will be represented using curly brace. And tuple is tup. The keyword is tup, and it will be in parenthesis we can mention this tuple. Tuple will be contains all the data types, floating, integer, string, all the data type is contained. It will be in the parenthesis we can write a tuple data type. And next one is set is curly brace we can use. The keyword is set. The curly brace we can use various data types, integer, floating, everything will be written in the curly brace. And next data type is boolean is we can type bool. It will be in true or false. True means 1, or false means 0. So these are all the various data types in Python. So we can see next video how to use various data types in Google Colab, and how to with the example we can see how to write a code, various example we can see these data types in next video. Thank you for watching.